Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading for the middle of the month, that is in the middle of August. What energies are you manifesting? What is happening in your life? And we'll see. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. All right, so let's proceed for my Leos in the middle of August. And for those whose birthday is coming in this week or in the rest of the August, a very happy birthday to you all. All right, so let's see now. Last shuffle, please. Lovers is the first card for you. All right. All right, so what is the energy? So the lovers has come up, so this is regarding some kind of a choice in your life, you know, where you really need to do some kind of a choice regarding your love life, regarding your work life, anything it can be. You know, you really have to do, what you have to do is to make a choice. And what is the issue? You cannot make a choice. That is the issue over here. The reason of the problem, you know, whatever you are facing right now, the reason is you are not able, the choice is the main thing, and the reason is you cannot make the choice. That is something. All right, so your what's going on in your mind is the Star card. I think you are really in that dreamy zone where you're just hoping for things to just, you know, they just get themselves done, and what if you cannot do, you know, you shouldn't do anything. What if that is what you want? You're wishing for things to done by themselves, and you don't want to actually work on those things. Your past energies are the Queen of Cups, so might be dealing with a Cancerian over here, but I'm feeling that there was love in the situation, because everything was taken, you know, from heart. Everything was done, everything you have felt for the person, for the situation, it was all from your heart. It was not like you didn't want it, you wanted it, and that is why you are in this position to make a choice now. Alright, so your Hermit energy is the reason of the reading. There is some kind of stagnancy, not stagnancy, it's like very slow energy. You know, the movement is not happening. That is the reason. It's just working at its time, on its time. Not, you are not able to push anything here. The future energy is the Death card over here. I'm seeing that something is coming to an end. Let's see, might be you might even take a decision, and you know, you might even I really feel that you are going to take a decision. All right, so with the Knight of Cups, Knight of Pentacles in your energy, what you want Knight of Pentacles. You don't want to take an action. You really want that things, they should go their way and they go by themselves. You don't want to involve your energy in this thing. The Moon card over here, the people around you. Why is this happening with you is because the people around you, they are very, you know, their hidden personality. They are like, you are not able to get to know them. Might be a Pisces or a Cancerian, but more than that, they have secrets, you know, and you are not able to find those things. So that is why you just want that either the secrets come out by themselves, and because you in the past with the Queen of Cups, I'm seeing that you might have, you know, where you might have got to know that there was some kind of intuition from your side that something is wrong over here, something is wrong. That is what is happening, and you were like, your intuition was telling you it's just that, but you are not sure, you don't have anything, you don't have any proof how to make this particular thing wrong. But you know that something is hidden, something is going in a secret mode over here. So your the card from the universe is telling you that, we'll clarify this card, the universe is telling you that your nights, universe knows, we know that your nights are really bad, you are not able to sleep, or you might even sleep for a long time, like uneven kind of sleeping, like you are sleeping at 4 a.m, waking up at 1 p.m. So that is what is happening. The the outcome energy is 8 of cups. I'm seeing that you are leaving a situation over here. That is what was the death as well. So you might have the choices, the problems around you right now, you will take a step forward for that, and you are going to make a choice. Sorry, you are going to make a decision from that choice. Okay, let's clarify now. What is the lovers in the energy for my Leos? Knight of Pentacles. What else? 7 of cups. 9 of wands. Okay, it's not a choice, it's a choice from so many choices. That is what is coming. I don't know why it's coming up, like somebody is making you a choice, somebody else with whom you had shared a lot of good time, good memories. They at some point they made you a choice, and that is what is actually not acceptable. So you are now, like, you really want to take a step that this is something, because you are guarding yourself now. I'm seeing that you are done with all these kind of bullshit, like I'm not a choice, I'm not an option, you are an option. You just want to tell them that, because being a Leo, you cannot mess with a Leo, right? So let's see, why is the 2 of swords in the reason energy? Why is the 2 of swords a reason? Strength card seats you. 8 of pentacles and Knight of rods. See, the reason is you are not someone who is told to do something and you'll just close your eyes and you will do that thing. No, the reason is that you are seeing the changes, you are able to differentiate between the changes which are happening in front of you. So that is what, sometimes this person starts to care you, and sometimes it's like you don't mean anything to me, or whatever situation you are in, you are not that kind of a person where people will tell you what to do. You are the master of your own kingdom. They don't tell you what to do, you tell them what to do. All right, so that is what is happening. You are working. I'm saying that you really want to end things, you cannot go on, but still there is some kind of research you are doing, but you are not getting the answers. That is the problem. You want to find out the proofs, you want to get the answers, but you are not able to get any answer. Let's see, why is the Star card over here in your mind energy? Your mind is telling you 5 of cups and 3 of pentacles. It's like that you are working on something. You are hoping that things might fix, that whatever is happening in your life, they might fix themselves. That is what you are wanting. There is a lot of sadness. Your mind, somehow, whatever is happening in your life, your mind takes you to that point, that regrets, that sadness in your life, that kind of pain which you are dealing with. That is what this card is about. Let's see, why is the Queen of Cups in your past energies? Why is the Queen of Cups here? The Sun, your energy is here. What else other than the Sun? What else do we have? King of Cups and the Hanged Man. Okay, so with the Queen of Cups we have the King of Cups and we have the Sun. That means everything was fine, everything was happy. happy family, happy love life, everything was fine. All of a sudden something happened, and you have to make a choice in that particular thing. you know Either you or them, either some kind of a situation you were involved, and it just hung up. Like, you are showing somebody a lot of love from your side, and that person, like, he or she was showing you the same love before, but all of a sudden they just stood still, like, I don't know you. Okay, so that is what is coming up, and you were like, what is this, what is happening? That is why you started to think that, okay, so my intuition was not wrong. If I was feeling that something is wrong, it was wrong. Okay, let's see, why is this hermit here in the reason of your reading? Six of cups. Past, I was saying past, so somebody from past, I'm seeing that was a problem over here, a big problem over here. Either in your life somebody has come up, all of a sudden from your past, or your childhood memories, they are just coming and flashing around you. Something is coming up, and which has, it just changed your world all of a sudden. What else do we have? Ten of Cups. See, Six of Cups with the Ten of Cups with the Ten of Wands. It's like the pressure is now the family. The love is the pressure now. The love for which you were dying before is now the pressure of your life, is now the big concern of your life. And that is the main issue over here. Might be a third party situation over here. Might be a third party person involved here. Let's see, why is the death here in the coming future? Five of Swords, okay, and Three of, okay, so it came in the reverse, so I don't do reversals, but I'm going to take it as the reverse, because in your past I'm seeing that there's something which is coming to an end, because someone is tired of waiting now. You are like, I waited for this person, I waited for the situation to take a U-turn and come back to my favor. The fortune now start favoring me, but it doesn't happen. So that is why I'm seeing that the wait is over and something is coming to an end, because some kind of betrayal you are going to see really fast. People around you, see the hidden people, the moon with this Five of Swords, I'm not sensing it really good. They will show their faces. They're waiting for the time. Why is the Knight of Pentacles over here in your energy? I feel that there was love. I won't say that there was no love. But some things, there are some memories, whatever love is there, whatever things were there. Sometimes it's just a phase. So just take it as a phase. Take it as something which is just a phase. Like, okay, just take the good memories with you and leave the bad memories. That, okay. What else do you want with the Knight of Pentacles and Two of Cups? Six of Wands. You want success in this particular situation. You want that whatever happens, the victory should be mine. If the other end, if the other person leaves you, if you leave the other person, but at the end you should be the one who should get the victory, success. Okay, so let's see why the moon is here and the people around you. Ace of, okay, so the hidden thing is Ace of Rods. What else do we have? Queen of Rods. All right, I'm not sensing it good. So there's a third party situation, might be a Queen of Rod over here. Well, that's your energy, but I'm not sensing it's your energy over here. Might be other Leo with whom this person is being secretive. So this is something, what the secrets around this person are. The secrets are this Queen, and somebody really want to start some kind of new beginnings with this person. That is the secret. That is why the betrayal will happen. But for those who it's your energy, because this is as well as your energy. So I'm seeing that somebody from your past is, is being very secretive, and someone is not telling you their feelings. They are secret lovers, and they really want to come to you to propose you. That is what is also coming up. So for those who are dealing with their, you are not in any relationship and still dealing with someone from the past, so this is that energy. Let's see, Nine of Swords. What is the universe message? The Chariot. Wow. What else do we have? Knight of Swords, and not this one, the Magician, and Five of Wands. So the universe wants you to just stop thinking about and stop crying. This is what the universe wants. If you're crying it all night, you're just weeping and weeping, sobbing and sobbing, just stop it, and move on in your life. This is something, even if you want to travel, go and travel. Just look at the world, look at the positive side of the situations, look at those people who have nothing in their life. You have got so much things in your life, so look at the positive side. And now if you really want to do, just do it fast. You, like, problems will come, but what you will have to do, you have to fight those problems. That is why the Knight of Swords is here. Fight those problems, fight the issues. Instead of crying, fight it out. All right. And see, fight. So these conflicts, if they are coming up, take your energy, just manifest it. Just, don't manifest the bad things, manifest the good things, obviously. But this is an energy, this is the card for, everything is in my hand now. See how this magician is saying that everything, now I'm going to do something. So this is that energy where universe is telling you, do not just sit like that, do something. Whatever you are thinking, do it now. All right. So what is this Eight of Cups? Why is this here in the outcome energy? Three of, well, I don't have to clarify more. I'm seeing that somebody is leaving. A breakup is meant to happen because this person or you, somebody is not happy in the situation, and that is why somebody has to leave the situation. All right, so that's all, Leos. That's all from my side, and I hope it helps. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.